Just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to update content suitability settings in Bing. Super important for Bing because Bing has a bunch of different pitfalls that will expand your search targeting into display and connected TV websites. So in order to update your content exclusions, first, you want to make sure that you are in the account level. So go into the account. You can check off all of the different types of content that you want to exclude from your campaign. So your ads will not show on sensitive social issues, kids content, infectious disease and outbreak content, crime, natural disaster, politics, protests and demonstrations, basically anything that's like a little bit scandalous or risky. So just check off all of these options. They're unselected by default, and then click save. Easy as pie. Sweet. If you have any questions about content exclusions, feel free to leave them in the chat. Otherwise, please subscribe and like if you found this content useful. Cheers.